you guys! Today I'm going to show you what to do if your Facebook app is down. There's a whole bunch of different things that you can try, which we're going to go over right now, so have your phone with you so you can follow along. Let's jump right in. So the first thing I recommend doing is going to a website called Down Detector. Once you're here on the website, you're going to go up to the search bar in the top right. You're going to search the app you want to check for. Scroll down until you find Facebook, you'll click on that. So right now it's saying that there's no current problems, which is correct, but if there were problems, it would pop up here and explain to you what they are and how long it might take. You can report your own issue with the app if you're having issues with it. And if you scroll down farther, you can look at all of the outages reported in the last 24 hours. You can look at the most common reported problems. The next thing I always recommend doing is simply closing the app and reopening it. To close it, you're going to slide up and get rid of it, and then you're going to reopen it, and hopefully by then it's working. If that still doesn't work, you're going to go into your settings and check for any updates. So you're going to go over to your settings, you're going to scroll down to General, and click on Software Update. And if there are any current software updates that you don't have, you'll want to update your phone because that could be what's causing the issue. Another thing you can do is check for updates on the Facebook app itself. So to do that, you're going to go into your app store. You're going to click on your icon in the top right and scroll down to the upcoming automatic updates. And if you find Facebook in any of these options, you'll have the option to either update it or just open it. The next thing to try would be to restart your phone, and depending on what phone model you have, it could vary, but on the iPhone that I have, you'll hold the power button and the volume button, press and hold these two, and the slide to power off will come on. You'll power it off, and then to turn it back on, you're going to press and hold that power button again. Next thing to try would be to see if you're connected to the internet. Go into Settings, and into Wi-Fi. Sometimes, even if you are connected, you might have to turn your Wi-Fi off and then on again. So you can turn it off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on. It'll either automatically connect or you'll have to retype in your password. If your Wi-Fi simply isn't working, you can also just turn your Wi-Fi off and go into your cellular and make sure your cellular is on as well as your roaming. Another thing you can do is to check your app's network permissions. To do this, you're going to go into your settings. You're going to scroll down to your Facebook app, which should be near the bottom. When you locate it, you're going to click on it, and you're going to make sure that everything is turned on in the Allow Facebook to Access. If you've tried all of these options and nothing's still working, you can go to Facebook's Help Center. So to do this, you're going to launch your Facebook, and you're going to scroll down to find Help and Support, and then you're going to report a problem, and that's the last option that you can do to try and get your Facebook back up and running. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I really hope that this was helpful for you and that you can use some of this information or even pass it on to somebody else. And I will see you guys in the next video.